by myself. But today we're going to be reading Too Many Cats. So it goes like this. Black cat, gray cat, rich cat, stray cat. Any more cats? Many more cats.